Dog, come here. Come here.
It looked like Tombstone.
Come here.
Wyatt Earp, Doc Holliday.
Come here. Come here. All right, guys. Come here. Come here.
There they are right there. There's 4 of them. Oh, look at that big ass pheasant.
There you go.
He's flying now.
Y'all dropped 3, I think.
Drop it. Drop it.
He's
Drop
on point. There's one right here.
Yes.
There's one right here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go. Fetch him
Y'all
up.
shot more than that. Y'all shot 2. Maybe 4.
I'm blazing.
I got 2.
Yeah.
But they got two or 3, I thought.
Yeah. That one's dead, I think, or injured.
I didn't see too many make
Yeah.
it.
Got it. What about right here? Was there one in here?
I didn't see. I was trying to focus on the one that was shot and went down here.
I don't know where that big ass pheasant went. Can we do that again?